Sorry about the mess of it.
No, that's fine.
It's my fault, I didn't clean.
That's fine.
Very good machine. Very, very good.
Why do you think it's very good?
Oh, I've been cut all kind of materials that we never had an issue with it.
What kind of material have you been cutting?
Mild steel, hot steel, all kind of stuff.
Tool steel?
Yeah. Most of what we do here is either mild steel or aluminum. As you can see by that pile, we can see the and then, so there's a start with the 1000 RPM. Okay, and then I can go up to, oh, this is, I put the lock on it so you cannot do anything with it.
Keep going up.
Yeah. So, we can do.
Take her up to like $5 grand or something.
Well, go to more, you know, 2,500, 5,000, and then 7,500.
Okay.
Or 5,000.
Okay. Okay.
75.
Okay.
Right there.
Is the max 10 or 7,500?
10.
10.
Yeah.
We try not to run it at 10,000 until the spindle's warmed up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
It's
right
fine,
now
you
it's
don't
at
like
575. Now I'm gonna go up to 10.
Well, it isn't warm yet, so don't do that.
That's fine. Yeah, we don't need it.
Okay.
Do it too.
You're already in high gear.